Check out this is 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, tow hooks, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, pass-through rear seat and rear bench seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.